Alright guys, just out for a ride on a damp, it's sort of drizzling right now, damp day, but not bad. It's pretty mild out. I just have a sweat top and a vest on, so that's pretty good. So that's it. Look at a nice scenery. You can see the mist in the air. It's pretty, well, a little bit foggy in the distance. Anyway, off we go. Ooh, that looks a bit dirty down there. Let's go for it. Oh, fudge. Look at that. Oh, I wouldn't have done this if I had seen that. Shit. I went down here before and the same big chunk was gone out of there. But just one time and a while ago, I totally forgot it was like this. Anyway, we get down it. No problem. That's gonna be dirty. Well, if it didn't have some challenge to it, it'd be boring, right? So that was pretty cool. Greasy. Oh, so is this going to be? Oh, can you do it? Will it do it? No, it won't. Oh, yeah, very slippery. You can get it up on there. Alright, well, come on, baby. There we go. Oh, look at that nasty freaking thing. I just went up the side. The beauty of having a small four-wheeler. Well, that wasn't intended. Definitely some clay in that dirt. There we come. Nice, thank you very much. Now there's another way in and out of here, and it's over here somewhere. So not as many ruts like that, not as dirty, but it's a long friggin' steep way down, and the same thing on the other side. I think we're here. If that's it, overgrown like that, I'm not doing it. Yeah, that's the spot. I went down there in the spring, yeah, with my neighbor and his buddy, and no, it was pretty much all grass. I'm not, without anyone else with me, I'm not into getting stuck down there alone. We'll do it another day. Anyway, this little spot here is enough of a challenge for today. Not as steep, but kind of shitty. Right up on the side, there we go. Plus with these smaller quads, especially for a guy my size, I'm not very big or heavy, about 150 pounds, I can offset the weight on a small one like this, like great. And it's not just for small people, think of it if you're a bit bigger than me. You can really lean over and take some extreme angles. There we go. Just wanted to take you into some of the dirty stuff there. I haven't been over here for a while, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. Anyway, I hope you liked it. If you do, give me a thumbs up or something like that, or comment even would be cool. And that's it. So take care, guys.